thinking only space to discriminate and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, all right, everybody, we are at a protest where we are honking for democracy, talking about how united we stand, we need healthcare, not ballrooms. A lot of support coming in from people who are going up to work right now. An amazing opportunity to let people know that we are out here, that we are not going to be taking fascism sitting down. We're going to resist actively in community with so many wonderful people who are covering the whole intersection.
It's just ain't the same, always in change. New days are strange, is the world the same? If love and peace is strong, where are the pieces of love that don't belong?
The way I learned about this one is I'm in a bunch of Facebook groups, and there's people posting in this Facebook group every week that this event is happening, and I realize it's pretty close to where I am, so let's combine and show our support.
People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them dividends, not respecting each other, denies our brother. A war's going on, but the reasons on the cover. The truth is kept secret, what's one of the above. If you never know truth, then you never know love. What's the love, y'all? What's the truth, y'all? What's the love, y'all?
Somebody's holding a comic strip. Let me see if I can zoom in. No, I can't zoom in. Yeah.
I feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I'm getting older, your people get colder. The dust only fall about my making. Selfishness got us following no one direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the illness, causing the bacteria. These wanna act like what they see in the cinema. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Spreading
I am.
understanding you demand the good community.
I should get a picture.
Yeah, give me your phone. I'll do it. I will.
Make some noise. Diana.
Sing with me, y'all.
We only got that's all we got. Something's wrong with the world, yeah. We only got that's all we got.
Oh, I was going to just there ain't no peace in the USA. You're not God, no matter what you say. You break your word, you steal and lie, but you can't break us, no matter how you try. Oh, this land is ours, and we are free, from the desert sands to the shining sea. Hand in hand, unbent, unbroken. You spit your hate, we wait, we roll. That's right. Because no one can take our dreams away. And no man owns the USA. There ain't no king, ain't no king in the USA. He ain't God, no matter what he say. No matter what he says, he says, hell no, we won't say not today, not today. So there ain't no king in the USA. No, there ain't no kings in the USA.
We're in the middle of a hostile government takeover. I wanna talk about it, but I'm late for work. And it's saying, wait a minute, do we have to stop this? We have what you did, it was a lady in office.
We've gotten a few middle fingers, but a lot more honk.
We're a part of a Nigerian prince king. Surprise, surprise, and a white man. Oh, I just wanna know what the hell do I do? And they say, wait a minute, do we have to stop this? We have a budget, it was a little to stop this. Hostile government take over.
Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Preacher man, don't tell me if heaven is on the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's a boy that needs a phone. After going and never been told. So now you see the light. Hey, stand up for your right. Come on, get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high.
But if you know what God is worth, you will look for yours on earth. And now when you feel right, you stand up for your rights. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up for your stand up for your rights. Lord, get up, stand up, be fast about it all. Don't give up the fight, yeah. You're sick and tired of your ism, killing game, dying to go to heaven in Jesus' name, Lord. We know and we understand. As like God is a living man, you can lose some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. So now we see the Lord.
Yeah, I need to have a next song. Where's
Oh, it starts at 10 o'clock. What time?
All right, guys, let me show you the sign I'm holding. Somebody very kindly handed me healthcare, not ballrooms. And as I like to say on the campaign, healthcare, not wealth care. And then on the other side says, United we stand, because it's a universal truth. So let's show you all the fine folks here at the protest today. Here is the enemy within. Love it. Stop lying. We the people will win. Here we got a new crew of people coming home. Over there we got Hawk for Democracy. We need you. Join us. Restore democracy. Protect the Constitution. Not fake. We got another finger. That's all right.
It boggles my mind how anybody can support them.
Why are you flipping us off? Like, what is this for democracy?
Does somebody else just flip us off?
Oh, yes, I'm kidding.
Like, what immigrant is taking your job? You know, how do you support blowing people up, the helping process, raising our costs, tearing down our White House?
There was a chart that came out today, or analysis, on how first-time voters who voted for Trump have their approval rating has plummeted.
Good.
And the theory is that they voted for him because it's like the brosphere. On the podcast talking about him, it was funny to do.
Yeah.
But now they're like, wait a second, is that consequences?
Yeah.
So, in 2 days we're gonna find out even more. When the subsidies go away and the SNAP benefits stop.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And how many people in red states who can lose their food and lose their benefits? And, I mean, never mind how much of our rights we're losing.
Yep.
People don't really understand how much of democracy is already been stripped away.
Yep.
And honestly, how dangerous Mike Johnson is. I mean, he's like a one-man coup.
The way they've just given their powers away?
Yeah.
I mean, the power of the tariff. So I highly recommend check out your local Facebook groups. If you're trying to figure out what to do, go to your local city Facebook group, Democrats, Progressives, Indivisible groups. And you have so many people, you're going to see so many people are doing local protests on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, maybe even. And just show up. Show up. You can come with a sign. Well, might have extra signs. People gave somebody an extra sign here. So it's a wonderful place to be. She's got a lot of sisters. And truth be told, when I saw all the pictures of people who are out at the protest, I noticed it was all older folks. And I'm like, whoa, where's all the young people? We got to skew younger. It's got to be out here as well, protecting them as well in case some crazy people come.
Just like birds of a feather, I won't tell no lie. All of the people around us, they say, can they be that close? Just let me stay for a record. We're giving love in a paradise. We are family, baby. I got all my sisters with me. Get a share of this world's delight. High hopes we have for the future and our goals inside. We don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden rule. Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family too. We are family.
storm. Got my beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm all this time I was hurting myself and I didn't know I was wrong. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
Hey guys, so a friendly reminder, there are opportunities for you to show up to your local community protests as well. Somebody was just mentioning to me that, patriotism, democracy is not a spectator sport. You have to really be involved. You got to put it all out there. And there are folks out here who will come in here week after week and putting it all out there. If you don't see something in your hood, start it up. We are the ones we have been waiting for. There's nobody else coming. It's us. So figure out what your role is and do it. Whether it's helping people make signs, showing up and supporting, and maybe even just being there. If you're a young person, being there to help defend whoever is out there protesting. Be the eyes and the ears, right?
I didn't know I was
And plus, it's a really dope soundtrack.
I don't lose with this. My papers.
Ooh!
Touching night.
Look at that sunset.
Wow.
off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone.
That sunshine in my pocket, got that.
I can't take my eyes off it. Moving so phenomenally. Come on like the way we rock it. So don't stop.
It's a quick hour. Just doing a quick wrap up, and we will head on home in time for dinner.
Message for the ages. We need you to join us.
I want to try that design. I love that design.
Yeah, I'm borrowing it.
Does somebody want this?
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Salam? Okay, I'm David.
David, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Debbie. Debbie's Thank you. I can't see. Does somebody want to take this on to screen? Like that next to me? And this one's just sitting on my porch. And I can't.
All right, that's all from the 5 to 6 p.m. protest here at Parham and Patterson. If you're in the area, we'd love to see you next time. Next week, same time, same place. Actually, no, wait, it might change. Well, anyway, join the Facebook group and you'll find out because, you know, it is daylight saving time that starts or something. Anyways, we got to get rid of that. All right, see you next time, y'all.